Well, these are my clones and usually they help me a lot in my video making process, but there's one problem with them. They don't last long. Not again. This time I need something else. So today I'm planning to make something which will replace these clones. Not only it will replace them, but it can also work better than the clones. Believe it or not, this is gonna be fun. So let's start with the 3D design.
You don't mean nothing to me. E-boys like you every dinner. I don't believe what you preach. You're just a rookie beginner. Hang out with boys on the street. Like that will make you a winner. I don't believe what I see. Why you wearing gold?
Alright guys, the 3D design is done and yeah, it's a motorized camera slider which I'm gonna make today. By the way, I already sliced its 3D printable models in Ultimate Cura. Now it's time to print those models, so let's go to the printing area. Okay guys, the 3D printing is done and all the models turned out pretty good. Alright, these are the main parts for the camera slider. Besides, I also need these parts. What the Well, the Maggie was quite delicious. Okay, now let's start the assembling part. Well, the slider is almost ready except for the circuit, so let's get back to the PC and design its circuit. Here I'm designing the circuit on the website called EasyAda. The circuit is pretty much done. Okay, then let's quickly export the Gerber file and upload it on GLC PCB's website to make the order. By the way, GLC PCB is the sponsor of this video. In case if you don't know about GLC PCB, let me give you a quick walkthrough. Well, GLC PCB is a global leading PCB manufacturer who provides high quality and cost effective PCBs. Here you can order 5 pieces 2 layers PCB only for $2, which is less than a plate of biryani. Even they reduce the 4 and 6 layers PCB's price from $6 to $2. Along with PCB, they also provide the SMT assembly service at a very reasonable price. Recently, GLC PCB has started the 3D printing service, which is cherry on top. You can feel free to check out their site, link in the video description. Alright, the PCB arrived at the expected time. Okay, then let's start making the control box.
I belong to you.
Do just what you want. You're the one I trust. No one else.
Yeah. Let you down.
Okay, the control box is ready to mount on the slider frame. Don't forget to attach the motor connector. Now it's time to upload the code. Alright, then let's quickly connect the slider with my laptop and upload the code. Finally, this bad boy is ready to shoot some delicious B-rolls. Enjoy the reveal. That's it for today guys, hope you enjoyed watching this video. Leave a like if you liked it and subscribe for future content. Hopefully, see you guys soon.